Today I brought you a very good news because I've been trying enough to make a very good research to give you guys a comprehensive details on how to feed your fishes or how to manage your fish farm. So on that research I've tried my best enough to make sure that I get a very good concentrated feed for farmers in order to reduce their cost for 2023, most especially when feed is becoming very high at this particular period. And now I finally got a very good result for you. That means I got a very good information for you guys. Hey, hello guys, good afternoon. You are welcome once again to my channel. You are welcome to Catfish Solution Place. Today I brought you a very good news because I've been trying enough to make a very good research to give you guys a comprehensive details on how to feed your fishes or how to manage your fish farm in So on that research I've tried my best enough to make sure that I get a very good concentrated feed for farmers in order to reduce their cost for 2023, most especially when feed is becoming very high at this particular period. And now I finally got a very good result for you. That means I got a very good information for you guys. So please make sure that you stay tuned to this end of this video. Make sure that you watch to the end because this is going to help many farmers that they may fit to grow this 2023. What do we come about? As you are watching from the background, I'll be telling you the conjunction that we made already in order to serve you better in 2023. From the video you are watching, we are having a collaboration of HYGIENIC Nigeria and Catfish Solution Place. Will be giving you a very good feed concentration for 2023. And how can we perfect this very well for you guys? We can perfect this very well for you guys because I needed a very good feed mill. That means I needed a very good machines in order to produce a very good feed formulations for you guys. These formulations will be a little bit cheaper and this can reduce your cost in 2022. And note, this will be very high in CP that will grow your fishes miraculously. So this is a very good news for 2023. So today HYGIENIC Nigerian and Catfish Solution Place are going to collaborate and give you a perfect feed concentration or feed formulation you desire. So make sure that you follow up. As you have been watching from the screen, I will be taking you around on how the machines available will be using. In here we'll be producing the special floating feed and we'll be producing the sinking feed. And what makes this very, very special? What really makes it special is that we'll be producing from 2 mm. For you know that most machines cannot produce from 2 mm. Most floating feed cannot produce from 2 mm, but in here we'll be producing from 2 mm. So if you want a very good feed, make sure that you follow up to this. So we are producing from 2 mm, we'll be producing 3 mm, we'll be producing 4 mm, we'll be producing 6 mm, and we'll be producing 9 mm. Wow, this is very, very great, and to me this is wonderful. So these are special machines that will do a very good result for you guys in 2023. 2023. So what you can watch from the screen, all the materials we'll be using, we have lot of materials available, which we have one. We have our GNC, which is very pure and sharp GNC. Yes, we are going to use many materials like soya, like multivitamin. We are going to use Minovite and co to give you a very good formulation. All these you'll be watching from your screen. So from the screen, as you are watching, we make sure that we produce an non-impurity impurity feeds for you 2023. Feed will be well dried, the pellet will be well dried, and I told you again about most of the machines we will be using. And again, from the video, you'll be seeing the hammer mill we'll be using. Yeah, the hammer mill we'll be using, which is the pulverizer. So the pulverizer is going to powder all the materials to a powdered form. So these are not little, or these are not small pulverizer. These are gigantic pulverizer that can produce nothing less than 20 ton in 1 hour. Wow, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. As you can see, the net of the pulverizer is very little. That means we have a net from 0.7, 0.5, 0.8. So you can imagine how neat this production will come out from. And from the hammer mill, you watched the hammer mill is, we have 32 hammers inside the hammer mills, and the hammer mills is it has a capacity of 33 kilowatts, and it has a 6 belt. So this will tell you, for those of you who knows about machine, this is, you can just value this, and this is going to tell you the amount of production this can produce for you at this very given period. And again, from what you have been watching, you are seeing the mixer. The mixer is a very strong mixer. You'll be seeing the boiler. Yeah, the boiler is there for you to give more pressure to reduce moisture from the feed. And in there again, you'll be seeing the machine comes with a pressure gauge. Yeah, comes with a pressure gauge. Comes with a temperature gauge. Yeah, it comes with a temperature gauge. That means from there you will be seeing the gauge indicator. That means the hose, the temperature gauge indicator that will give you the level of the water that is into the temperature. And the pellet, that means the pelletizing machine, the sinking, I told you we have a sinking pelletizing machine that we produce. And for what you are seeing from the screen, you'll be seeing the 6 mm that is already being produced. They are very sharp and smooth. You can see this can retain inside the water for 30 minutes. That means when it comes out from the pelletizer, by the time you give to your feed to your fish, this can stays in the bottom of the water for 30 minutes without dilution. That means it's very strong. So without not even drying, yeah, I'm telling you, coming out from the pelletizing, this can stay inside your water for 30 minutes. So this will tell you the level of the pressure of the machine that will be that this will be producing. And this will automatically is an advantageous for you, because this will not cause much pollution for your water. So it is very good. This is a very good news, I told you. And in there we have the bucket, as you are seeing. We have the bucket, we have the bucket evaluator. The water elevator are the sievers. Inside we have the sievers, that is the yellow one. We have the sievers, that is the automated siever. This will sieve himself. We have conveyors that we convey all these materials. Is an automated machine, please. This is an automated machine. The elevated bucket elevator will sieve your all the materials will sieve it to powder. They will sieve it to powder. So for what we'll be giving you, you will not even see a single powder in our finished production. And the feed will dry immediately. Yeah, it will dry immediately. The raw materials are very, very available on ground for those of us who want to key into this very great opportunity. Yeah, we use yellow maize as expensive as it is, and yellow maize is highly rich in crude protein for those of you that really know that. And the floating machine, that means the floatability machine, that means the what we know as the extruder. The extruder we are using is a complete extrusion optimization for what you can see from your screen. This can produce nothing less than 5 ton in 1 ton in an hour. 1 ton per hour. Yeah, this is a very great and massive extruder. It's an automated machine that have conveyor that convey. Only a single person can single hand can operate this extruder. From what you can be seeing from the extruder, you'll be seeing that we start from the crusher. From the crusher to the impeller. The impeller will suck out the materials into the wet mixer and to the liquid mixer. Then the conveyor will take it into the fulling extrusion procedures. So after the extrusion, this will go into the dryer. For what you can watch in there, that's what the dryer you are seeing is massive dryers, and you can see we have the press button board. We have the press button board that a single person can automatically operate. And from the dryer, we have the inside the dryer, what we call the true scale dryer. This is what we call this true scale dryer that has 5 steps. It has 5 steps. It has 5 step propeller. That means it has 5 steps inside it that does the dryer, and this drying capacity has a very strong heat that takes well over 280 degrees centigrade. So to me, this is a very great news. This is a powerful news for farmers that really want to go into farming and want to start making profit in this year. To make sure that if you are willing enough, make sure that you key into this great opportunity. I tell you, if you contact me, I'll be giving you the current price list for the 2mm, the price list for the 3mm, the prices for the 4mm, the prices for the 6mm, and the prices for the 9mm. For those of you who want to do mass production, make sure that you contact me on time, and you can book ahead on time so we can produce and send to you anywhere you are in the country. Presently, we grow fish for people, we grow farms for people, we supply materials for people, we supply feed for people, and people are doing great and making a massive result. But how can we make sure that we reduce this cost a little bit so that we can make more profit this year 2023? That is what we try to research, and finally we have a very great result for you. It's not about mixing material alone. No, it's not normal about just mixing material. This is all about mixing material, getting a very special machine, a sophisticated machine to produce for you, and in here it is available. I told you the sinking feed on its own can stays without drying, can stays in the water for 30 minutes before it gets dissoluted. So this is a powerful result, and this is what you are watching from the screen. This sinking food comes out without not even drying, not to talk about when we now dried it. This is well composed. This is a very great concentration will be given to you. This concentration comes with what we call a very good additives. It comes with what we call a very good multivitamin for your fishes to do healthy, to do well, and to perform, to give you the much needed results you need this 2023. So make sure that you make sure that you contact the number you are watching from your screen, or the number in the description list. So make sure that you contact me and make more inquiry on the our feed, and to this I know you have a very perfect result this 2023. So thank you so much, and God bless you all.